Don't wait. Extensive one-family home located in the soul of Jamaica, Queens. This home has quality amenities with the ideal of excellence and total comfort. You will step into a radiant parlor room that can also be used as a sitting room. There are double doors leading into the living room. The dining room has ample room for a banquet table. The country-style kitchen gives you the appeal of the scent of a delightful meal and relishing in its warmth and comfort. We move into the basement, which is robust and sturdy in its size, where you can enjoy the jacuzzi tub. Next stop is the second floor, which you will find 3 attractive-sized bedrooms and a full bath. Not to forget, the master bedroom has a massive walk-in closet. The attic is cozy with high ceilings and 2 full-sized bedrooms. The generous-sized backyard is tempting enough to add a swimming pool or just a great enough area to enjoy those beautiful summer afternoons. The entire home has been doubly insulated throughout. Are you looking for your dream home? Look no further.